Hello, this is HardReset.Info speaking for you, and in this video I'll show you how to perform hard reset of your Xbox Series S. It's very simple, you have to just enter Settings, go to System, Console Info, Reset Console, and right here we've got three options: Reset and remove everything, and Reset and keep my games and apps. What hard reset gives you? If you reset, your console will restart and erase all accounts, saved games, settings, and Xbox associations. You can choose whether to keep or erase your installed games or apps. I will select Reset and keep my games and apps. Now, in order to enter your console, press this button on your controller, select language, proceed in next steps, and sign in to your account. Follow the next steps in next windows in order to correctly configure your Xbox Series S. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.